All right, hey, good morning everybody. Game plan here. Yeah, we have a game plan today. This is going to be weird. I've never done this before, so we're going to do this today. As we have to. I don't know. Been wanting to give this away. It's a nice helicoil set from Vevor. Very complete set, both metric and standard sizes. So it's a really cool kit if you break a bolt or something off and you strip out the thread. This is the way to repair it, or at least this is the, if this don't work, go buy something else because you're done. Yeah. Anyway, I've got a list of all the names here, several pages of names that were put in for getting this off the show. Problem was, it conflicts with other themes and other companies. So in other words, I've got Vevor here, so if I have somebody else's stuff on that is not from Vevor, then they get kind of weird about it. Yeah, I mean, I understand where they're coming from. It's all about marketing or whatever. So this is what we're going to do today. I'm going to do this draw thing. It's going to be like, I don't know, 3 or 4 minute clip, and we'll just do the draw, give this away, put this aside, get this ready to probably ship for like Monday or something of next week. In the meantime, this afternoon we'll do a show on a review for a brand new machine that's here, that's been waiting in the wings for review, because I'm pretty excited about it. I think it's got a lot of nice features for the price, so it should be pretty cool. So let's get started. First thing I gotta do is I'll go take these over to the cutter and get these all cut up, so little pieces of paper here, and we'll put them in the coffee jar and we'll pull, and it'll be great. Okay, when I come back. Oh, okay, we're back. I've got all the tickets all cut up with the names on them for people that entered for the draw, and I've got 3D printers running today again. Yeah, always. It's my job. But the 3D printing world was, Black Friday just happened and we got slammed, which was like good, But they cleaned the shelves of my store off, I guess you could say, or to the client. So in turn, we had a pile of orders we had to make up. In fact, we were making stuff overnight so we could ship the next morning, because we actually ended up running out of inventory. Now I can say we're getting overstocked in inventory again, which is really where I'd like to keep it, is for like, keep a 3-4 pieces ahead all the time from orders, but you just can't tell. Meantime, let's, and like I said, we'll just end this as soon as we get this over with, and then I'll come back this afternoon. That'll be like 2 videos for one day. I'm a sick puppy. Yeah. Okay, I got a ticket. Whoops, I got 2 tickets. Okay, let's separate tickets and just hope we didn't lose anybody here. Okay. Dan, Bluff City, Tennessee. All right, Dan, congratulations. Monday morning, this baby's in the mail. It's on its way to you. Yes, thank you for entering, because it's like Greg and Keith and Don, everybody else, they all, Carl, you name it, they all put their name in, and it just feels a little bit supportive and good to just see names in this, because we have a good, a couple of hundred tickets that usually come in for these things, so that's always a cool thing. But that's the Vevor, and that's the beautiful set. I'll put a link in the description below for this thing, but let's see if I opened it wrong. Nope, did not. But Dan, that's what you're going to see in your mailbox. You explain that to your wife or say, yeah, I got it for free. Yeah. Meantime, I am going to jump out of here. We'll get the product over here and we'll start filming for, I guess, today. Yeah, so 2 films in one day, but that's just between me and you. It's a game change thing, but it was like, we got to do something, because I like giving this stuff away, but sometimes it conflicts with the manufacturer or another product name or something. Whatever. All right.